Welcome back. After the 72 Ford F-250, I think we're going to get back into Dodgeville. I am a Mopar guy after all. But I do love those high boys. But I haven't decided on which direction we're going to go as far as Mopars. Let's take a look at this one. This very well could be the next one. These trucks were made for 2 years. This is Little Red Express, LIL. I do have all the hard to find stuff stashed away just so it doesn't get stolen. The side steps, those are chrome. The stacks come up through. That's unique to this truck. All the wood. I'm actually going to purchase new wood. I might even clone this to a 78 because I just prefer that. Haven't decided though. It is original, so I might not. I might keep it a 79. Even though I prefer the look of the 78. What do y'all think? Which is the better one? I have 3 of the original wheels. I do need another. This truck is also going to be a big block. I'm not going to go back with the 360. There it is. Little Red Express. Oh yeah. Haven't really decided on a bench or buckets or which dash style I like. Got about every option here, huh? Wood grain. What's this one? The faux chrome. Might do a bench. So my sweetheart can sit in here with me, right? Okay. That's an option. Might build that. Or we could do this. 68 A100. That'd be a fun one. I wonder if anybody's ever stuffed a big block in one of these. Might go that route. Just for grins, let's have a look at the Charger. My baby. This has been an ongoing slow project. Been on this for about 8 years. Just going slow. No hurry. I did all new AMD quarter panels. Trunk floor extensions. Outer wheelhouses. But here's where it really sparkles. I've got something in the garage here, that's why this thing's outside. It normally would not be out here. It's been out here entirely too long. Engine needs very much cleaned up. I'm kind of disgusted with myself letting it get like this. $440. Vroom vroom. I did build it's an automatic. I built a reverse manual valve body for it. It's snappy. So what do y'all think? Should we build this one or the Little Red? Stay tuned. I'll have a decision soon. Oh, first we gotta finish this truck. It's getting dangerously close. I've got all the interior coming together. Let me show you what came in the mail. My new floor pan. So I got to do a little surgery here. Zap that in. I've got the carpet. The carpet kit hasn't arrived yet, but this is the back wall. This is the carpet for the fuel tank. And I think I showed y'all. That's that trim that holds the carpet. And those are the original factory bucket seats. All right, once this is done, we'll get back on to a sweet Mopar project. Oh gosh, I do have a lingering Ford. I forgot. Yeah, I do have this. My sweet 61. We might do something with this. I've got big plans for this. Got a tri-power setup. Fender well headers, dropped axle, got some new bias ply tires, whites. That's kind of the theme I think I'm going to go with it. Still has the Y block. They just don't build stuff like that anymore. See the way all these doors shut? It's just a thing of the past. Wow. All right, guys, I got to hit the road and go help a buddy. I got to go make his Christmas merry. He's got an injured back. I'm going to go help him get some stuff done here right quick. Until next time. Thanks for tuning in.